Hello everyone, it's Melissa and I'm here today to share a scrapbook layout. This is a pocket layout that I made recently. And so if you guys watch any of my other videos, you know that I do project life. I keep it very basic. So that being said, I will show you quickly. So in July, we did a little road trip to go visit my dad, my kid's grandpa. And so I documented it briefly here in this Project Life spread. And so I guess what I wanted to do is talk more about it. It's not that I didn't include all the pictures that I wanted to include, but I certainly have more to say. And so I am inserting a Becky Higgins. This is a design A. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you know that I typically, when I have a lot of photographs and I want them to be in our family album, I'll just do a pocket page like this just to get them in. Sometimes I embellish them, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just leave them. This particular one I went ahead and embellished. So yeah, let's get started. Let's move my light here. Sorry about the glare, but you know, with it being already in the Project Life pockets, there's going to be a little glare. So anyway, this is a travel card from Echo Park. And this is actually stuck on here, a 4x6. It's from Close to My Heart. And yeah, I'm pretty sure other manufacturer companies make these. But I just adhered it on, re-poked a hole here. Yeah, so it says travel. And then I did a lot more journaling about the trip. This next card is again from, I want to say this was a cutout from, this was a cutout from a 12 by 12 sheet of pocket scrapbooking. And what I did was, this is just a picture of a postcard, and I used my craft knife and did a slit right here and tucked this photo underneath there and just added just some scraps behind there. This here is a stamp I cut from some patterned paper, and then I do as well have like an airmail stamp that I stamped on that to make it look like a real postcard. Stickers I cut from a sticker sheet I'm trying to make my way through. It's super old. I believe it's from Close to My Heart. So, you know, if you've been scrapping for a while, you know how old that is. And then I just I just used my typewriter and some Tim Holtz Chit Chat stickers to, you know, go through it. This next photo is just about visiting New Salem. And so I just used a flare badge then and now. This is an actual postcard I copied. This is my kids with the people from New Salem, some little kid employees. And I just stamped on here, remember, and then I used a today word sticker from my mind's eye. On the go was a piece of ephemera I cut down. That's just my son. This high is from Lawn Fawn. It's one of their speech bubble cutouts. And Fun is from Winnie and Walter, and it's stamped on vellum with white embossing powder, and then I just fussy cut it out. And I just used some alpha stickers to write times and some of my epoxy splashes. This is a piece of a photo that I took off the internet. It's just a basic county fair picture, and I just stapled 2 of the tickets that I have in my stash and just said where we were. This is a piece of freckled fawn, old chipboard I just put there. This smile is from Jelly Bean Soup. It's like one of their Polaroids. Can't even handle the cuteness. You saw me stamp that before. That's from Felicity Jane. And so yeah, this will just go into my family 2018 album. Let's see, so a couple other pockets, you know, crazy and so awesome. Those are from the Mambi clear stickers. Hashtag love. Those are some alpha dyes from Lawn Fawn. Let's Go. That's from Little Yellow Bicycle. And they come with these like toothpicks or little sticks, and I just put it on a paper clip because quite honestly those little sticks are two-dimensional for me. They give too much, and I don't like it. So what's for dinner is a Mambi sticker, and that is some yummy funnel cake. I did do a little bit extra journaling about the necklace my daughter got from my dad. It was my stepmother's, and just about how special it is. Fearless, this was actually a circle piece of ephemera, and I used a punch and cut it down and attached it with a stapler. Look at this. This is another Mambi sticker. I don't know where this is from, but I can in fact tell you that I did color it with a Sharpie marker. This pinked sun on this pocket here, that is from My Favorite Things. Sunshine was just a Simple Stories sticker I cut in half. Hello sticker was from Simple Stories. And then these glasses are from Spellbinders. They're from like an emoji pack. I just die cut them. Keep Calm and Smile Big. Again, this was white embossed on vellum. This is from Technique Tuesday. Grateful, same thing, white embossed on vellum. I just added a heart from Lawn Fun and some jelly bean soup tabs. And then this one is the one that you guys have been seeing me use from Simon Says Stamp, and that Kathy Zilski, The Stuff That Matters. So like I said, this will just sit in my album right in the spot for July. I do scrapbook and file. Well, I don't necessarily scrapbook, but I do file on my pages chronologically. So, and I do one big album for the year, and then I do one Project Life album for the year. And then, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. I appreciate you watching. I'll be back with more. Sorry I can't talk today. And I would love a thumbs up for you to subscribe to my channel. And I will put my link to Instagram and Facebook in the description box below. And yeah, I'll be back soon. Thanks. Bye.